and turn right. It's the way down here. Don't go that way. Yes. Yes. This way. Down and up there. You see the small reclining Buddha. This one on left side. This one is reclining Buddha and the main Buddha inside. And go this way to the right. It's a UNESCO office. We have the reservation project. How can to cutting the stone. So that's why I have the cover around the column. Yes, for the building, rebuild the temple. And then turn left. Yes. To left side. Later on you can see the view, the Bakang view, the sunset view. Right here you can see the sunset view. Come this way. Here. This is the hill view. That's very popular that we call the Phnom Bakang. This one, the Phnom Bakang, for the sunset. Look at that. You can see the Phnom Bakang. This one. Yeah, look at that. You see the Phnom Bakang, the sunset. Sunset one.